You have definitely seen these types of movie explain videos on YouTube. Movie explain niche is one of the most famous and watched niches on YouTube, and all of these guys making movie explain videos are making hundreds to thousands of dollars every month by working only 1 hour every day. And to tell you there is no special secret in making these videos, and to clear your doubts, these channels are monetized. Here is the proof from YouTube. If you check the third point of what is allowed for monetization, you can clearly see that YouTube itself states that if you rewrite the dialogue of a movie and change the voiceover, you are good to get monetized. So today in this video, I will teach you how to make movie explain videos. But if you skip any part of this video, you will end up getting copyright strike, and YouTube will probably delete your channel in minutes and all your efforts will be wasted. So just chill out and enjoy the video, and also take a copy pen because this video will not be like any other video on this topic, because we are going to cover every tiny little detail. Starting with creating a new, fully SEO optimized YouTube channel. Now, to get a good name for our channel, we will simply ask ChatGPT to provide me unique and new names for a YouTube channel based on movie explain videos, and it will spit out some cool names now if you like a name that's good. But if you don't just regenerate until you get a good one, and then simply copy up that name and head to YouTube, then simply click on the icon at the top right corner and click on Create New Channel, and then here, paste the channel name, and then again, paste the channel name in the handle section and click on Create, and your channel will be created. Now, I have seen people creating multiple channels on same Gmail. Guys, that's terrible, because in case something happens with your Gmail, all of your channels will be gone, so it's best to use one Gmail for one channel. Now, for channel logo, I always suggest Lexica AI, and even I use it for my own channel's logos. I mean, why wasting time on making a channel logo when you can just search and download a better one? You can either keep scrolling and simply download a good relevant image, and don't worry, all these images are copyright free. And if you want a specific type of image, like I want an image in which there is a figure giving shocking expressions, and it will provide me with all the similar images, and then I can simply select and download a good one and then go to YouTube, then go to YouTube Studio, then go to customization, and then channel branding, and then simply click on first upload option and simply select your image and then simply adjust it, and then just done it. And guys, channel description and tags play a very huge role in promoting your channel in search results. So for channel description and tags, I will simply ask ChatGPT to provide me a well-written description with cool emojis and relevant and high-volume keywords for a YouTube channel based on movie explain videos, and also provide me relevant tags so that my channel appears at the top in the search results. In this way, ChatGPT will provide you complete SEO for your channel. Now, first copy up the description and head to YouTube Studio, then click on Basic Info, and then just paste this description here. And don't forget to provide your email for promotional and sponsorship mails. Trust me, you will earn more than you can imagine. And then go back to ChatGPT. Now, copy up each tag one by one and come back to YouTube Studio. Then click on this settings option, and then click on channel option, and then paste your tags here one by one. And then also write your channel name 3 times. First, write your channel name as it is written on your channel. Then one time type your channel name in only small alphabets, and then once in completely capital alphabets, then just click on Save. By doing this, whenever someone will search your channel name on YouTube, in any way your channel will appear on the top. This step is very essential for small channels. Now simply click on Publish, and your channel branding and SEO is complete. But before starting video creation, take a look at a movie explain video that I was able to create in just 30 minutes.
In a scene, the crew is out on their boat tracking the giant prehistoric shark, the megalodon. They have just detected it on their radar and are trying to get a visual. As they look out into the water, the camera cuts to an underwater shot showing the massive shark swimming just beneath the surface. It's huge, much bigger than anything they've ever seen. The shark's shadow moves silently under the boat, creating a sense of its enormous size. The crew starts to prepare their equipment, getting ready to tag the shark so they can track its movements. They lower a large metal cage into the water, planning to use it as a safety barrier while they work. One of the crew members suits up in scuba gear and carefully enters the cage. The rest of the team watches nervously, monitoring the shark's position on their screens. The scene ends with the crew member in the cage, looking out into the murky water, waiting for the megalodon to appear.
Now, if you want to see good results on your videos, you need to pick movies that actually have high IMDb ratings. And to find movies with high IMDb ratings, open Chrome and search for Hollywood movies with high IMDb rating. Then you will get list of all the movies that have high ratings. Now, as I personally watched Godzilla x Kong: The New Empire, I know that it has high IMDb rating. So here you can clearly see its ratings. If a movie has ratings higher than 5, you are good to go. You can also search for Hollywood movies with high IMDb rating on YouTube as well. and just write down the names of good movies. Now for script, I will use ChatGPT. I will simply use a special prompt that I made to get the best possible script. You can access the prompt from the description. Feel free to use it. In the prompt, I have asked ChatGPT to provide me script for whatever movie. For instance, we will take the movie named The Meg, but you can use any movie you like. And I also mentioned in the prompt that don't explain the climax and movie spoiler in the script, which is very important. Because if you explain the climax and the spoiler of the movie, you can be in trouble. Spoiler is actually the main turning point of the movie, or you can say that it is the main point of the whole movie. And revealing spoiler can result into a loss for the actual industries, and you could be in trouble for that. So I refined the prompt in a way that ChatGPT will provide you a good script without revealing the spoiler of the movie. But again, I would advise you to read the script for once and do some changes in it if needed and make it more engaging. By getting your script through this method, you won't have to waste your time in watching the full movie and writing its explanation. Just read the script and boom. You got all the idea about what is happening in the movie. Now you are ready to make the video. Now for voiceover, we are not going to use 11 Labs because they don't allow commercial use on free plan, meaning you can't monetize your channel. And even if you do get monetized, there is always a risk of your channel being terminated. So I got a free AI voiceover tool named VoiceMaker, which is free to use and has realistic voices. All you need to do is give the link to the website in your video description. Then just paste your script here, but you can only enter 250 characters at a time, so simply generate your voiceover in parts. Then to select the voiceover character, click on Change, and here you will find up to 750 plus different voices for free, which are just perfect for monetization. You can take your time here and listen to the voices, and once you find a good voice, simply click on Submit, and then just click on Convert to Speech, and your voiceover will be ready in a matter of seconds, and then just download it and repeat the same process to get your remaining voiceover. Now for movie clips, if you follow my method, your chances of getting any copyright issues are reduced by 95%. Look, I've seen videos where gurus say download videos from Chinese app and then just use a third-party tool to translate the movie clips into English and then use the clips. This is a terrible advice. First, it takes a lot of times and efforts. And secondly, using clips from a third-party websites can be very risky, and chances are that you will face problems after monetization. So I would recommend you to take movie clips from YouTube itself. Like I will search the Meg movie clips, and you will have a lot of clips of different scene. Now you can simply download these videos or just simply screen record the important scenes that you need, and you can also search the Meg movie explained. In this way, you can download or screen record videos that have already explained the movie. In this case, you won't have the need to find exact clip for your videos, as these movie explained videos on YouTube already have taken the important clips. So, you will just need to mute the original audio of the clips and use the clips for your own video. And now the magic that we will do in the editing software will protect us from copyright issues. Now first you need to import all your materials in an editing software. No matter if you are on mobile or PC, you can follow all the steps and then place your voiceover on the timeline, but using the voiceover as it is can result in a loss in audience retention because of the awkward silent parts. So first remove the silent parts, but I must tell you there is no need to remove all the silent parts, just remove the awkward and big ones. Now pay close attention here. First place the movie clip on the timeline. Now you have to apply 5 seconds rule. For example, if you want to take a 10-second clip from this video, then instead of keeping the complete 10 seconds head on, you can take 5 seconds from here and 5 seconds from here and delete the part from the back and front. This will break the pattern of copyright, and then your video will fall under the category of fair use. So what I meant is, instead of taking 10 seconds head on from a video, you can instead take multiple small clips from different locations of a video. This is a great strategy to play safe from copyright, and I will prove it to you by the end of this video that this strategy actually works. Now, after you have successfully placed all the clips according to the voiceover, then just zoom in the clips to fit in the screen, but here you don't need to stretch the clips in full screen. Instead, you can leave some black bars from top and bottom. This will provide a cinematic look, and your clips will be visible enough to engage the audience. Now, simply add some good transitions in between the clips. You can simply take your time here and just add some good transitions. Now we will generate auto captions with the help of CapCut's auto captions feature. And when the captions are ready, you can simply choose a pre-made template. This will save you a lot of time and efforts. And if you want to make your video more engaging, simply change the font as well as the color of the captions. This will help you to develop develop your own channel branding, then simply place the captions at a suitable location on the screen. But to take things at a professional level, simply go to text, then drag and drop and default text on the timeline, then stretch it on the complete timeline, and then here type your YouTube channel name, then simply select a good font and then scroll down a little and reduce the opacity a little bit, and then simply place your channel name at the top right or left corner of the screen. Now simply go to filters and search for Clear to Filter, drag and drop this filter on the timeline, and then stretch it on the complete timeline. Now finally to the background music part. Well, there is actually no need for a background music in Movie Explain videos. But if you still want to add a background music, you can download one from Pixabay or from YouTube. But if you do use a music, don't forget to keep its volume very low. Now the video is ready, simply export it out. Now we will simply upload our video with SEO. Now come back in ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to provide me some good titles, a well-written description, and relative hashtags for my script. Then paste your script ahead of your command and press enter. Now ChatGPT will provide you with everything. Simply check out the titles and simply copy up the one you like and paste it in the title box of your video. Then copy up the description and hashtags, and then again paste them in your video description. Now copy up the video title once again and search for rapid tags on Google, and then simply paste the video title here, and it will provide you with all the tags. Now simply copy up the tags and paste them in the tag section just like this. Now simply take a look at the tags. And if there are any irrelevant tags, simply remove them, because we don't want our video to appear in front of wrong audience, because it will impact our audience retention. Now simply scroll down and change the category into entertainment. Now if you pay attention, YouTube has checked our video for copyrights and found no issues. So now don't forget to give a like and subscribe for my efforts. Now for uploading time, you can upload your videos on one of the following best times coming on the screen and see which works best for you, and then upload all your videos at that specific time.